Here we are going to learn about problems on Bayes theorem. On that first problem, in a bolt factory, machines ABC manufactures respectively 25%, 35% and 40% of the total. Of their output, 5,4,2% are known to be defective bolts. A bolt is drawn at random from the product and is found to be defective. What are the probabilities that it was manufactured by machine A? Second problem, machine B or C. So, to solve this problem, we depend upon Bayes theorem. So, we need to construct some events to solve this solution. We are going to construct the events E1, E2, E3. Be the three events represents the bolt. The bolt is manufactured by machine A, B and C respectively. Okay. Here we are going to take another event. That event name is capital E. This event be the event represents the bolt is defective. The bolt is defective. Here there are 4 events totally. First 3 events E1, E2, E3 are the events represents manufactured bolts from the respected machines A, B, C. And here capital E represent the event that is defective bolt. Okay. So from the given data, means from the given problem, we are going to write like this: P of E1. What is the probability of the bolts manufactured by machine A? Is P of E1 equals to so A manufactured bolts is 25%. So here E1 represents the event manufactured bolts by machine A. So that's why 25%. That is equals to 25 by 100. That is also equal to how much it is? Yes, 0.25. And probability of an event E2. What is meaning of E2? E2 is the event manufactured bolts by mission B. It is clearly given 35%. That means 35 by 100, that is also equals to 0.35. And P of E3 is E3 be the event manufactured bolts by mission C, given 40%. That by 40 by 100, that is also equals to 0.40. This is the data already given in the problem, and along with one more data is also given. The defective bolts data also given in the problem. What is the defective bolts data here? So clearly given of their total output, 5% are defective bolts from the mission A, 4% defective bolts from the mission B, 2% of bolts are defective from the mission C. This is the data already given. That's why to represent this data, we are going to write like this. What is the defective bolts event name? Here we taken the event name as E. So that's why P of E by E1. What is the meaning of P of E by E1? This is the conditional probability of an event E when E1 is given. The conditional probability of an event E when E1 is given. The P of E by E1 అనేది మనం ఎందుకు రాస్తున్నాము అంటే probability of defective bolts, E అనేది defective bolts of their total outputs of the mission A కదా. అంటే ఆల్రెడీ మిషన్ ఏ నుంచి బోల్ట్స్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవుతాయి, అంటే ఆల్రెడీ ప్రొడ్యూస్ అయినాయి, వాటిల్లో ఈ అనేది డిఫెక్టివ్ బోల్ట్స్ రిపోర్ట్ చేస్తుంది. అందువల్ల ముందు ఏది జరిగింది పని అంటే E1 అనేది ఆల్రెడీ జరిగింది. సో కండిషనల్ ప్రాబబిలిటీ మనం రాసేటప్పుడు ఏ పని అయితే ముందు జరుగుతుందో దాన్ని డినామినేటర్లో రాస్తాం, ఏదైతే నెక్స్ట్ జరుగుతుందో దాన్ని న్యూమరేటర్లో రాస్తాం. సో P of E by E1 means probability of defective bolts of the total outputs produced by the mission A. This is the meaning. Is equals to 5%. So that is equals to 5 by 100. That is also equals to 0.05. Like that, P of E by E2. What is the meaning of P of E by E2? Is the probability of defective bolts produced by mission B given 4%. That is also equals to 4 by 100 is 0.04. And P of E by E3 is the probability of defective bolts produced by mission C given 2%. It is also equals to 2 by 100 is also equals to 0.02. Okay, this is the data in the given problem. So now we are going to find two problems in this. First problem is what are the probabilities? What are the probabilities that the defective bolt means before that a bolt is drawn at random from the product and is found to be defective. మనం ఒక బోల్ట్ని ఈ ప్రోడక్ట్ నుంచి మనం తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఆ బోల్ట్ డిఫెక్టివ్ బోల్ట్ అయి ఉండాలి. and what are the probabilities that it was manufactured by machine A? అది ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. సో మనం సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్న బోల్ట్ డిఫెక్టివ్ బోల్ట్ అయి ఉండాలి. అది మిషన్ ఏ నుంచి వచ్చే ప్రాబబిలిటీ ఎంత అనేది మనం ఫైండ్ చేయాలి. సెకండ్ ప్రాబ్లం, అది మిషన్ బి నుంచి కానీ మిషన్ సి నుంచి కానీ వచ్చే ప్రాబబిలిటీ ఎంత అనేది సెకండ్ ప్రాబ్లం ఫైండ్ చేయాలి. సో ఇప్పుడు మిషన్ ఏ నుంచి వచ్చే ప్రాబబిలిటీ ఎంతో ఫైండ్ చేద్దాం. ది ప్రాబబిలిటీ దట్ the probability that the defective bolt chosen at random is manufactured by machine A. So by using Bayes theorem, this is the first problem in this. By Bayes theorem, we are going to write P of E1 by E. What is the meaning of P of E1 by E? Probability of the bolts manufactured by machine A when it is given that the chosen bolt is defective. Okay, this is the probability we are going to find in the first problem. That is equals to, by using Bayes theorem, we will write it is represented as P of E1 into P of E by E1 by summation I equals to 1 to 3, because 3 events are chosen like this. P of E1 P of E by EI. Okay, so we are going to expand that representation. This is completely depend upon Bayes theorem statement. So P of E1 into P of E by E1 by summation. We can expand the summation from I equals to 1 to 3. P of E1 into P of E by E1 plus P of E2 into P of E by E2 plus P of E3 into P of E by E3. These all values are known from the above. So P of E1 value here, P of E1 value, what is P of E1? Yes, 0.25. So substitute all the values, required values in this. 0.25 into P of E by E1 value is 0.05 by P of E1 0.25 into 0.05 plus P of E2 into P of E by E2 0.35 into 0.04 plus P of E3 into P of E by E3 0.40 into 0.02. Okay, on simplifying we get the answer 0.36. This is the probability of defective bolt, chosen defective bolt that was manufactured by machine A. Similarly, second problem, it was manufactured by BRC, means we are going to find P of E2 by E plus P of E3 by E.